Welcome to Everyday English. Hello, students. Welcome to this video, where we will explore small talk English phrases used in daily life. If your goal is to achieve fluency in English, it's crucial to practice daily phrases regularly. Understanding native speakers becomes easier when you commit to daily practice. So, keep up the practice and good luck. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our new videos. Now, let's jump.
It's all good. It's all good. How about a coffee? How about a coffee? I'm feeling kinda tired today. I'm feeling kinda tired today. That's awesome. That's awesome. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Let's grab a bite to eat. Let's grab a bite to eat. I'm starving. I'm starving. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? I'm just taking it easy. I'm just taking it easy. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's up? Long time no see. Long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Not much, just chilling. Not much, just chilling. What's new with you? What's new with you? Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. No worries. No worries. Let's hang out later. Let's hang out later. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. See you soon. See you soon. It's been a hectic day. It's been a hectic day. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. What's the plan for tonight? What's the plan for tonight? I'm down for whatever. I'm down for whatever. Are you serious? Are you serious? You're kidding, right? You're kidding, right? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's so hot outside. It's so hot outside. I wish it would cool down. I wish it would cool down. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Mine was pretty good. Mine was pretty good. I had a blast. I had a blast. Do you mind if I join you? Do you mind if I join you? Of course not. Of course not. Go ahead, take a seat. Go ahead, take a seat. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Sure thing. Sure thing. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. You're welcome. You're welcome. Anytime. Anytime. What do you feel like doing? What do you feel like doing? Let's play it by ear. Let's play it by ear. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I'm swamped with work. I'm swamped with work. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. I messed up. I messed up. It happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us. What's the matter? What's the matter? I'm just a bit stressed. I'm just a bit stressed. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. I need a break. I need a break. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.